Okay, this is a video demo on KPS3102 serial device server. Okay, so we have this two Modbus TCP IP client. Okay, if you watch my cursor over here, this is laptop 1 and laptop 2. So it's running a Modbus PO software, and it's actually a client. So it's a master client. Okay, as a client. So we got two clients, and it's connecting to a serial device server over here. Okay, and two client is actually reaching out to one. Okay, one Modbus RTU slave over here, which is a KYIO-L. Okay, so this is the schematic drawing. Okay, so we have laptop 1 and laptop 2. So my laptop now is actually laptop 1. Okay, we'll reach out to this server over here. Okay, and it will convert from TCP IP to RS-485 and reach out to this KYIO-L. Okay, so let's start. Let's try to start. Okay, so okay. Before I do that, let me enlarge my video. Okay, this is the video. So this is the server that I'm referring to. Okay, and this is the KYIO-L IO. Okay, the gray cable over here is actually the Ethernet connection. Okay, this twisted pair cable over here is actually the RS-485 two-wired connection over here. Okay, so next thing I want to do is I want to reach out to the IP address of 192.168.0.249. Okay, so let me slightly close this. Okay, let me close this. Okay, let's reach out by 192.168.10. Not 10.0249. Okay, and you will reach out to this page. Okay, the username is admin. The password is also admin. Okay, and you log in. So I already do the setting already. So usually I recommend you all do a reset. After reset, go to the server serial server interface, go to server go to this serial port 1 and do the following setting. Okay, notice I already set to at the baud rate of 9600 and with all this parameter over here. Okay, so yeah, so okay, after you set this, okay, the next thing I want to do is I open up a Modbus device. Let me disconnect this first. Okay, so okay, the next thing I want to do is I open up a Modbus pool software. Okay, this is a Modbus pool software. Okay, my intention now is, let me see if I can. Okay, my intention now is over here, I'm going to reach out to the IP address of 192.168.249. Okay, and let me connect. Okay, IP address 192.168.0.249. Okay, and I press OK. See? So immediately when I press OK, there's an error. Okay, let's go to display and communication. This is the error. Okay, why there's this error? Because by default, okay, it's reading function code 03. Okay, 03. Okay, so but however, I do not have any 03 parameter over here. I only have input, discrete input, and coil. So let me change this to discrete input. Okay, and total of quantity will be 8. Okay, let's change this to 100 milliseconds and press OK. So immediately after I press, you see it's working now. Okay, it's working now. Okay, so it's working. So how do I know it's working? Okay, maybe I can enlarge. Let me try to enlarge my video again. Okay, and notice this value over here. Okay, let me reach out to and I try to energize the input. Okay, maybe the first input. Okay, and actually it will reflect okay, let me do it in this manner. Input, second input, and third input. It should turn on respectively. Okay, so the next thing is I already set up this. Okay, so I'm going to reach out to my second PC, which is, okay, let's make the screen smaller. Okay, so for the second PC, okay, I try to open up a remote desktop to reach out to the second PC. Okay, and its IP address is 192.168.10.158. Okay, don't worry about this IP address because it's a Wi-Fi connection. So when I connect up, okay, there's a password. Okay, and this is actually the PC of the second one. Okay, I'm going to open up the Modbus Pro software. Modbus Pro software. Okay, then connect up. Okay, notice I already set at the IP address of 192.168.0.249 and press OK. Okay, immediately we are expecting error because the factory default setting is reading holding register. Change this to reading discrete input. Change the quantity to 8. Okay, probably also change the speed scanning rate to 100 millisecond, and you should get to see something like this. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I turn on the communication. Okay, notice. Okay, notice. Okay, I'm going to do a simple functional check whereby I'm going to energize the first input. Okay, and yeah, so okay, second input and third input. Okay, and fourth input. So a quick functional check. So this is how it actually work. Okay, so the next thing is let me intentionally stop the polling. Okay, let me intentionally stop the polling and apply, and notice the polling stop. Okay, let me clear. Okay, let me clear. Okay, and let me clear this also. Okay, and clear this. Okay, clear. Okay, so okay, notice if I put a quick read. Okay, if I put up a quick read from the laptop one, okay, read or write once. Okay, notice, okay, there's only one single poll, and actually the second PC did not receive any packet of return packet because somehow they are able to differentiate which which laptop is the transmitting frame from. Excuse me. So likewise, I can do the same over here. Yeah, so it didn't get any additional frame over here. Yeah, so with this I end my presentation. Thank you.